Hey guys, welcome to Plants vs. Zombies. This is on the computer, so I figured I'd go ahead and record it. Here we go. Title. Let's go. This is gonna be good. Gonna be good. Look at my dirt. I'm gonna push my dirt. Now I got grass. Okay. So let's go on with seeds. These are pea shooters. You will see what they do now. They shoot peas at zombies. And there were 5 worlds. Each world has 10 levels in it and their own kind of like design of how it works. I don't want to give anything away, but yeah. Like this game don't like it looks fun. Like it looks okay, but it's so addicting when you're playing it, and yeah, I just can't explain it. So that was the first level. This is a sunflower. It costs 50 sun, and it gives you additional sun. Do I get 2 more grasses? Yes, I do. Okay, so each level will start you out with 50 sun. And what the sunflower does is, if it's not obvious, it gives you sun. So what I usually have is back row full of sunflowers, and then the rest are my regular crap. Yeah, so just gonna wait calmly for the zombies to come. Oh wow, I got lucky on that row. See, sometimes yawning, tired. But anyway, sometimes, what was I gonna say? Okay, I really am way too tired. Sometimes in like later levels, I will put extra sunflowers just because I want them. Don't argue with me. Yeah. But anyway. Oh yeah, and I'm going to be explaining the zombies too. And there's going to be a thing later where it's easier to explain them all. But yeah. For right now, I'll just explain the plants and the zombies separately, like while I'm in a level or something. Dang, we're almost done with level 2 this fast. I was planning on doing like 1 level a day, 1 level an episode, but it's that, like in the later levels, that's what's going to end up being, because I can only record for 10 minutes, as I explained it in another different video. Anyway, okay, these are regular zombies. That was a flag zombie, which these guys are pretty self-explanatory. They take 10 damage. Each of these little peas do 1 damage. And yeah, so anyway, and the flag zombie is the same thing, just it holds a flag. Okay, this cherry bomb, 150 sun, it blows up all the zombies in an area. It's pretty much just a 1-hit kill. Okay, if you saw those, never mind, you'll see them in the level. Okay, this might be the last one I do. Last level. See, these videos are short. Still yawning. Okay, and if I have to compliment something on this game, which I'll be complimenting a lot on this game, the most would be the music, obviously. Nothing's ever going to beat the music in this game. This game just has amazing music. Nothing's ever going to beat it. I mean, if you just, I'm going to stay quiet and let you guys listen. Yeah, but anyway, and this is like, I don't think this is the best music right here. It's just like, there's later ones that are way better than this. Not saying this one's bad, this one's really good too, but here we go, Conehead. They take, I think, 15 or 20 damage. I don't know exactly. But anyway, yeah, there will be a lot of zombies. I don't know the damage to. Anyway, pretty much they have a cone protecting their head. And that gives them extra defense, which makes them harder to kill. Oh, my ear itches and my headphones in the way. So anyway, yeah, if you ever run up on one of those, you either want to have 2 of these or a plant. We'll get to maybe in a couple episodes. Anyway, you want to have at least something doing at least 2 damage to it. I do want to show off the cherry bomb, so try to build up for that. Let's go 2 more. Still yawning. Here we go. Boom. Powie. Okay. Now, this is the walnut. This walnut is like, this is like an extra defense thing, costs 50 sun. Anyway, it blocks off zombies and protects the other plants. Anyway, the zombies have, like, this is a thing where zombies have to munch through it. Oh, like, it takes a whole bunch of munchy by the zombie. I put it in dumb voice, but yeah. But anyway, looks like that's about it. That's 8 minutes. I ain't gonna have time to do the next level. So guys, it looks like we got 3 levels done in this episode. In the next episode, we will do level 1-4. And that's it. We might do another one. Because the world 1 levels are short. Anyway, just to make this video go a little bit longer, see these flowers right here? This one, and this one. Little cool trick I figured out just by clicking randomly. So you can press this one, it falls off. This one falls off. And this one falls off. It's just like a cool little secret that nobody knows about. Like, it's weird that they just added that. Anyway, guys, see you in the next episode, and bye.